Hello, gentle learners. Welcome back to Castro's Gentle English. Today we have a special story for you. You are going to listen to Arthur. Arthur lives in a busy city, but he likes to live slowly. He will tell you about his daily routine. This video is designed to help you improve your listening skills. We will speak slowly and clearly. Close your eyes, relax, and try to visualize Arthur's day. Pay attention to the verbs and the vocabulary of the house. Are you ready? Let's begin. And that is the end of Arthur's day. Did you understand everything? It sounds like a very peaceful life, doesn't it?
Hello everyone, my name is Arthur. I work as a graphic designer. Today, I want to share my perfect daily routine with you. My day usually starts at 6:30 in the morning. I don't like loud alarms. My alarm clock plays soft nature sounds, like birds singing or ocean waves. It is a gentle way to wake up. When I open my eyes, I stay in bed for 5 minutes. I look at the ceiling and take 3 deep breaths, in and out. This helps me feel calm before the day begins. Then, I throw off the warm blankets and sit up. I stretch my arms high above my head. My body feels a little stiff, so stretching feels very good. I put on my slippers and walk to the bathroom. The floor is cold, but my slippers are warm. I wash my face with cool water to wake up my skin. Then, I brush my teeth and look in the mirror. I tell myself, today is going to be a good day. After the bathroom, I go to the kitchen. This is my favorite part of the morning. I love coffee. I do not use a machine. I make it by hand. I boil the water and grind the coffee beans. The smell of fresh coffee fills the kitchen. It smells delicious. I pour the hot water slowly. While I wait for my coffee, I make breakfast. Usually, I have oatmeal with bananas and a little honey. It is warm and healthy. I sit by the window, drink my coffee, and watch the sun come up. It is very quiet. At 7:45, I am ready to leave. I check my bag. I have my laptop, my sketchbook, and a bottle of water. I lock the door and walk outside. The air is crisp and fresh in the morning. I live in the city, so I take the metro to work. The station is a 10-minute walk from my apartment. I like walking because I can see the city waking up. I see shop owners opening their stores. I see children going to school with heavy backpacks. On the metro, it is sometimes crowded, but I put on my headphones. I listen to a podcast about art or history. It makes the 20-minute ride go very fast. I arrive at my office at 8:30. The office is a big open space with large windows. I say, "Good morning," to my colleagues. My team is very friendly. We are all designers, so we are creative people. I sit at my desk and turn on my computer. I check my emails first, but only for 30 minutes. Then, I start my creative work. I design logos and websites for different clients. I use many colors and shapes. I love my job because I can create new things every day. At 12:30, it is time for lunch. I usually bring my own lunch from home to save money. Today, I have a chicken salad and an apple. If the weather is nice, I eat in the small park near the office. It is good to be outside and breathe fresh air. I do not look at my phone during lunch. I watch the birds and the trees. It helps my eyes rest. I finish work at 5:30 in the evening. I am tired, but I feel happy. I take the metro back home. On my way home, I stop at the supermarket. I need to buy some ingredients for dinner. I buy some fresh tomatoes, onions, and pasta. I like to cook. For me, cooking is relaxing. It helps me forget about work. When I get home, I change my clothes immediately. I take off my work shirt and jeans. I put on comfortable sweatpants and a soft t-shirt. Now, I am truly home. I go to the kitchen and turn on the radio. I like listening to jazz music while I cook. I chop the vegetables slowly. I boil the water for the pasta. I make a simple tomato sauce with garlic and basil. The kitchen smells like an Italian restaurant. I eat dinner at the table, not in front of the TV. I enjoy every bite. After dinner, I wash the dishes. I like a clean kitchen. Then, I have some free time. I do not watch Netflix every night. Tonight, I want to practice my hobby. I play the acoustic guitar. I am not a professional, but I love playing. I sit on my sofa and play some old songs. The music fills the room. It is a magical moment. Around 9:30, I start to get ready for bed. A good night routine is important for good sleep. First, I tidy up the living room. I put my guitar away. Then, I go to the bathroom to brush my teeth again. I also take a warm shower. The warm water helps my muscles relax. I put on my pajamas. I go to my bedroom and turn on a small lamp. The light is yellow and soft. I do not use my phone in the bedroom. The blue light from the phone is bad for sleep. Instead, I write in my journal. I have a small notebook. Every night, I write 3 things I am thankful for. For example, today I am thankful for the delicious coffee, the sunshine at lunch, and the music I played. Writing these things makes me feel positive. Then I read a book. I like reading fiction stories. I read for about 20 minutes. My eyes start to feel heavy. At 10:30, I turn off the lamp. The room is dark and silent. I pull the cool blanket up to my shoulders. I close my eyes. I think about my breathing again, in and out. I feel safe and warm. Within a few minutes, I am asleep.
Before you go, let's remember 3 key words from today's story. Number 1, routine. Routine is the things you do every day in the same order. Number 2, creative. Being creative means making new and original things. Number 3, thankful. To be thankful means to be happy for what you have. Thank you for listening to Castro's Gentle English. If you liked this video, please subscribe and like the video. It helps us create more stories for you. Have a wonderful day or a wonderful night. See you next time.